Mic on.
Oh, oops, forgot to switch this. There we go. Good afternoon. Oh, yeah, I guess still good afternoon. I think I'm gonna push this real quick. Yes. Cable component set. Let's discard that. I don't think she was able to. Let me double check. Okay, cool. So if it else commit, what did I do here? To some grams on BPs, slight level edits. Yes, right? Finally. Well, I mean, the thing is, I didn't fix anything. Like, the first time it happened, I just had to, like, start stream 3 times. Because apparently, I can't do it once I start the stream. I can't link them. Because then YouTube thinks I'm using someone else, like another software, and it doesn't like that, apparently. Last time, it just wasn't working at all. And then this time, yeah, it was super seamless. So, whatever. 12 minutes, make a minute, blah, blah. On the plus side, the cat was able... I don't think she posted anything. Well, let me double check. She didn't post anything, but right? She did say, hold on, I gotta double check that. So commit, make commit, push, go to main. Hey, Andres, what are you doing on YouTube? Surprising of you. I'll submit. Merchants are current. Yep. Get okay. Yo, King, what's going on, man? Morning, afternoon, evening. I don't know what to say anymore, but what's going on, buddy? How you doing? How's everything? Alright, there we go. Should be good. Let me just update my shit. Yeah, because she said, hold on. Let me look at my messages. She said she was able... She said she was able to push, but then that she was worried because all the work that she did in the level was gone. Interesting. Okay. No, I think it just stashed her stuff. It's really cool. Tango, is this a YouTube stream only? No, I'm on Twitch as well. I've been paying for the multi-stream feature on Streamlabs, so I just started using it. Might as well, right? YouTube's been pretty good. Got a lot more traction on YouTube than on Twitch because most people won't say people they want to watch on Twitch. That's all they really focus on. It's not a lot of people that go and start looking for other channels unless they also stream. But Twitch, YouTube is nice because I got a lot more people come through YouTube. Good, okay, yeah, that was interesting. I think what happened was that she had her changes, right, of stuff that she was doing in the first level, but since she couldn't update her main with the edits I made to it, it didn't register basically. So when she tried updating it, it stashed what she had, and it just updated to the current one that I had. Which again, if she needs to overwrite the first one, that's fine. I haven't really made like huge changes in the first level, besides like adding a couple blocks, deleting some stuff. Yeah, so you can tune into either one if you want, YouTube or Twitch. Doesn't make a difference to me. Doing good. Just got back from her friend's house. Looked after her dog. Oh, nice. That's cool. What type of dog does she have? What was I gonna do again? Oh, I gotta I updated the file. Let me see. I think it was just the last 2 levels I needed to update. Or not update, playtest. That's what it was. And then that should be like fully done to then now start focusing on the polish. Oh, Keith, you here by chance? Are you still here? I don't know. I know you're working, so I don't want to bug you if you're doing work stuff. I don't have a spoon in here. This fucking cable component, dog. I fucking hate this thing. Every time. Goodbye. Bye. Alright. Do it again. Do it again. There we go. Oh shit, we hit 380 on Twitch. 380 followers. Sweet. Oh look, if you wanted to see the Hopefully it's bright enough for you to see, but this is the projection that she made for the map, for the first one. Oh wait, I'm not on the right tab. There you go. I'm here, but I'm working this on and off. Hopefully you could see that, but this is what the first level was, what she drafted. A German Shepherd police dog and a pug. What a what a combo, huh? Super professional, keen, top of the line dog breed, and then you have the inbred. The inbred that can't breathe properly for more than 3 seconds. Hilarious. It's like a sitcom. It's like a Disney movie combo. I think it looks pretty good. It's obviously hard to really tell because obviously we can't like actually see it. And I know she's not done because she like just started the first half, and then I think she's missing the stash changes are the second half. Yeah, it's much better. And this also helps me out too, because then now when she finishes this one, I'm gonna ask her, does she want to do the second or does she want to do the third level, and then I could obviously do the other one. But this also helps me like get an idea of like the flow of it. Even if she gives me like a draft of whatever level she wanted to do, like just like a sketch on pen and paper or something, that would help me out because then I know what the flow is gonna be from the end of the whatever level she does to the start of the next one. But it looks really good, significantly better. But looks very nicer. The lighting pass and text. Yeah, of course. No, she has these posted already, so she has the new materials done. But since she can't, I guess maybe because she can't, what do you call it? Submit it. It's not showing for like the actual assets. I know she did say she was gonna replace some of these or redo them basically. But yeah, obviously lighting is a bigger part. Lighting we will have to really work on because it is fucking horrible. But it looks really good so far. I'm liking it. She's using a mix of both of those asset packs, which is pretty nice. Alright. Let me see. Why does this come up? I don't like that it comes up there. Alright. I think I did leave off here. I did get to the end. But what was I doing? Oh, yeah, that's right. So I was going to... Oh, is the music a little too loud? Sounds a little loud to me. Hold on. There you go. I was gonna fix this because... So, like, when the player uses the mushroom to hit this, it launches them off. Like, it's too close, basically. So I was actually thinking of just moving it up a little bit and have it, like, just hanging, almost. So like almost, I can move all the other ones. I just can't move the original point here. Yeah, I might need to retry figuring out the issues with my version. Yeah, I honestly, that was super weird. Like, I know there's like little bugs there that like are persistent amongst both of the versions, but yours were like really odd. The only thing I can assume is that maybe just along the way something wasn't up. What to do, Mitch? Buenas tardes, my fat little friend. Nah, I'm just kidding, bro. My fat big friend. I'm the little guy. How's the vacay, dude? Welcome back. Where'd you go to in the end? I don't know if you told me or not. But yeah, Keith, I think what we just might need to look, because I know that your revision history looks the same, but maybe something just, I don't know, something didn't communicate right. And we could just look at it side by side if you want. Obviously, there's no rush. On the plus side, I did fix the rest of the bugs by myself, by the way. Pretty proud of that. Should do something like that. I kind of don't like the way this looks here. Just that way I can help Devin without needing to tell you directly over Discord. Yeah, that's fair. I get it. Oh, you went to Virginia. Nice. What'd you guys do? Let's just put that in the rock. Yeah. Can also lower this a little bit so it hides that. There you go. Because the wall run issue, maybe like tonight. Okay. Well, depends. Actually, glad you reminded me. I need to see if Kat can meet tonight. Because I need her to get access to the project ASAP. Because if she can't, then we're kind of screwed. So, not screwed, but that's been her biggest thing. She wants to keep on working on things, but she can't because she can't post her original stuff. I don't gotta cook tonight or anything, because yesterday, my sister-in-law and like obviously her husband and my goddaughter came by, and I made like a bunch of chicken parm and spaghettis. So I don't have to cook besides just some veggies, so I don't feel fucking horrible tonight. So I don't have to cook at all besides that, and I just pop it in the air fryer and forgetting about it. So after that, then I'll meet with her real quick. And if we get her fixed, then awesome. I just gotta look. Let me put a reminder here. GitHub index lock fix. Alright. Cool, she said yes. Sick. I just wanted to help with the UI and menus. Work with Cat to develop the. Ooh, that's right, the level select. That'd be nice to have too. I mean, again, when we start, I think once the levels are polished, then like we're gonna have to look at everything in the scope, because another thing too, right, is the bug report doesn't work anymore. I mean, obviously we're gonna need a domain for that too. I guess I gotta work with Bear on that. If not, I could just have everything forward to my email. I don't think that would be a bad thing, to be honest, just as a temporary thing until we could actually have things fully set. Or we could post it on itch. I don't know. We'll have to figure it out. Oh, there's some hiking, nice sightseeing, sweet. I assume probably your daughter had a great time with that. Are we also keeping hats? I'm fine with that. Like if there's a collectible that we could put in the game, even if it's just not only hats, like something else, there's places to put it. Like in here, there was 2. I just deleted them because there was nothing to actually put there. But if there is something, then by all means, yeah, let's do it. Even if you have something, again, if you have something else, like you want to do hats and I don't know, whatever, fucking boots, sure, let's do it. I'm more than happy to do that, especially to show a taste of what like the end of the game would be. Like, we're not the ending, the final result would be, because if they see in the demo that they have little collectibles, and they know that in the full release one that there will be the same thing, right? And then more things. The hat system already works, so I feel like it'd be a missed opportunity to lose. Yeah, let's do it. I just if you want well, I guess first we have to figure out the issue with your Git, because obviously it would suck if you trying to post something, same crap happens, right? Like just nothing really works. But let's try and figure it out at first, and let's say whatever there is no difference. Then we could also just like, you could send them to me and I'll upload them, or I guess I can still push stuff, so that should be right. Komodo outfit, up to you. Again, I know you're already kind of time crunching on a lot of things overall, so if you like to, by all means, I'd welcome it. But if you have other things to focus on, then you could also do that too. All right. But I also don't want to go too crazy, at least in the demo. I do want a taste of things, like just so that they see that there is that potential, and then obviously when we do like full release later in the year, then we could have like go all out. Settled by 8. Oh. Right. What are you gonna stream tonight, Mitch? Are you finally gonna play Power World? I know you said you got it. I feel like you have a good time with it. But I know you're also enjoying what's it called? Unforced. What do you think would be a good? So if we do the helmets, right? I think outfits would be ideal. A hat for the, oh man, that sounds super funny. Like even if like either hats, like little accessories for the orb, or just changing the orb to something else. Like we change it to like obviously the Navi's. I feel like it's a simple one, but obviously we gotta tweak it a little bit. We can change to like Samus's little ball form. I feel like that would be pretty funny too. But again, gotta change it because copyright nonsense, whatever. I just worried about with the orb, since it's already kind of like, not that it's obviously it's not bad, but since it has like dependencies or like ties towards interacting with physics objects, and then obviously like the frames as well, I would hate for like when you grab something it just goes poof and breaks or something. I have it, but not sure when to get on. I'm playing Enshrouded. Dude, these guys are... They're playing Power World, like, non-stop. They'll get on and play League every now and then, but Pedro's playing it. Justin, Abad, I think Brian got it, too, if I'm not mistaken. No, maybe not. Might be jumping down with that one. Javi plays it. A lot of people play it. I don't play it. I'm not a fan of it. I mean, I like it, but I just don't like crafting games like that. It's just too time consuming. I think where I left off was actually just right here. I playtested everything else. There were like slight little tweaks I had to make in here. So I think from here, if I play, you know what? I want to see this. So where does send go to? Yeah, I just don't like that they're on an unofficial server. May play official with some peeps. I don't know, I'm having fun. Tarkov and try. Yeah, it's true. Whatever. Play whatever you like. Ah, I see. This is... I don't know. Pen... Email... How does this work? I guess, Keith, this might be something that you and I might want to talk about. We don't have to talk about it now. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Just gonna add it. It's not a bug. View bug report and replace references. Alright. That's fine. I mean, for the demo, we do have to either get rid of that or something, because obviously if not, we won't be able to play. Alright. Oh, I'm an idiot. I just added the music as a temporary thing. Woohoo! Alright. Oh, you're there. I just want to make sure they can't jump, they can't do any cheesing here. Alright, cool. Oop. I don't think I need that thing there anymore. Oh god. Oh, it's a little too high, really? Or am I just... I think I'm just dumb. I think I'm just not doing this right. There we go, okay. And then now, I should be able to exit. Whoa. Orb's gonna do nothing because we really don't have any. Okay. Negative 10 mushrooms. Oh. Oh, I see. I know why that's doing that. Alright. I had to increase that a little bit. And then work to 3. Alright, cool. So... yeah, I think I then just move that far enough. There we go. That should be good. Yeah, the reason why that happened, the negative 10, is because I think I left the 10, the mushroom count thing. There's a count of like what's the it's like a more of a trial or like accomplishment thing, like a time trial of how many mushrooms you have to use in the level that is like the minimum. Like if you're trying to get like the best goal, whatever, or best score, what's the minimum amount of mushroom to use? And for this one, it just set as 10. I don't think that's really right, but that's just what it was. That's why I showed negative 10. Alright, cool. So that works. I think the only thing is I don't need this anymore. I had that before because I didn't have a little elevator here. But now that I do, let me actually move this down a little bit. There we go. Let's do, hold on. Doesn't need to shake. Nope, nope, nope. Platform needs 285 is fine. Delay or activates 1. Yeah, it's going to be running the whole time. You gonna have a beta test? Yes, I am. So the goal right now, it's a shame because it might be a little pushed, is end of February when we'll have the. It's more like a fully playable demo, which is the first 2 worlds, and then yeah, so it's like a beta, I guess you would say. Get traction in it, get feedback, and then once we have that, obviously we're gonna also have. I don't know if you saw it before. Like, well, I'm not gonna bother showing it, but it's a way to report bugs. We also like probably before we have a fully polished version, we'll do like a little play test for like just bugs that may be like us playing it, we don't see it, and also understand the flow too, right? Because we want to make sure that when people play a polished version, and you're like, oh, this is nice, like it's good, or hey, this area really sucks, or whatever it's gonna be. There was one thing I was gonna change here. Oh, so it was this actually. It was, I think, just increasing this a little bit more, something like that. I think. Save this. This is fine. I think it was this part. I think what I may do, I just might like pop out this one a little bit, or something like that. Alright, cool. Blah blah blah. That's good. And now it goes into 2-3. World 2-3. Okay. I don't feel like getting up or anything in this thing. Alright. So, this one, I don't think I playtested since I fixed the issues. So, let's see. Oh, actually, something I just remembered. First off, see, I don't think I put a start. Yeah, there's no starter here. And I just remembered I didn't set this back to its starter. So, yep, there you go. Save that. There you go. Time for some water. But if you guys are watching on YouTube or Twitch, welcome, welcome. Hope everybody's doing all right. Basically going through a little play testing right now in the game. In the I died in a cave. That's what it's called, or Idiac. That's another word for it. All right. Play music. All right. See that? Boom. I gotta bring out the. Yeah, it's fine. Oh, it's okay. Fuck. Might need to bring that a little lower. Oh, there you go. Nice. Is that off? It looks like it's off center. Okay. Alright, that's not actually how that's supposed to work. Alright. Actually, I'm just gonna pop. What's that? I'd like to add. Oh, it's because I clicked around it. Alright. So, first issue I noticed was this part. So I think what I'm gonna do is actually gonna bring this up. The fuck is that noise? Hold on. Give me a second. It sounds like a tow truck. And My complex is really shitty in a way, so I need to check and see to make sure it's not mine. Be right back.
Mic off. Mic on.
Alright, false alarm, luckily. It was not the tow truck, it was just the garbage. Just sounded really loud and close to where my car is, so I got a little worried. Okay, so things I was gonna change. This, I didn't move it. Oh, I was gonna do that first. I tied all the stupid crystals. Let's take this, not this, I can drag that up afterwards. And let's bring this up like 3. I'll put that there. We know this works, so, oh wait, actually, what I need to do is this. Let's rotate it up a little bit. And then drag it straight like this. There you go. Just so it shows that there's something actually there. And then, which means I could probably move this a little down so it's hidden. Move this upwards. Alright, cool. And then This is kind of ugly. I really don't like this fuse, to be completely honest. But it'll have to do. Alright, so let's turn off the starter real quick so we can actually get a player started in here. So I can play test some of this stuff. Okay. Sounds good. Why is that over there? Where is it? What? Century side scroller. Is there already a start in here? No. What is this? Access the central character. Wait, what is it doing? If I set this back as a starter, does it work? Okay, it does. So why isn't this working? Oh, that's why. There you go. Now it should work. Whoa. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Oh. Oh, that's a shame. Let's see. So the reason that was where it was at before is because that's where it could go. I'll lower it down to... Let's see how it looks from here. Okay, so you see it. You jump on it. It feels a little better. Boing, boing, boing. I don't like that it keeps on saying that. Hopefully it doesn't actually cause the errors in a build. I guess we'll have to see. Alright, so now we get this. We already tested all that. That works out perfectly fine. And then here. So from here, I think what I need to do is just lower this. Like just 2 maybe? Maybe 1 to be honest. Probably get away with that. Let's see. We'll do this. And then, yeah. Oh, I know just because of this. Let's make these smaller. I guess also I could just do this. Yep. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? What's happening here? God damn it, bro. Alright, let me just move the player start there. I remember this one being an issue before, but I thought it was already fixed. Okay, so that's set fine. I also need to add a trap here. I just realized there's no trap here. Only thing I can assume. Let me see if I rotate it off, right? I think that was an issue before that it does work. Oh, you know, it just doesn't work. Let me make sure this one also works. Okay, that one works. So that's at -0, -35. Oh, no, it's I'm looking at rotation. Otherwise, it's -0. 0, 16, 4, 2, 3. Oh, I think that's what it is. It's because it's at 0. No, that's not working at all. Maybe if I move it back in here, let's see. Oop. Just want to make sure it's not like... No, it's not working at all. If I set this back at 0, what happens? Let's see. Let's give me that rotation's messing it up. No, it's still not. It's not like that. 0, let's see what to do. What happens if I just try and copy these settings as much as possible? Oh. Alright, no, not that one. And I don't think this one either would do anything. Yeah, no, okay. 101, 935, 90, 65, da. I don't think the flame spawn has to be off its point. Oh, oops. Alright, so why aren't you working, dude? I don't fucking get it. Okay. All these settings seem the same. There's nothing different here besides the explosion one. Down here it has the spawn, the object, the time, blah 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 blah. Nothing different. So why isn't it you're just not working at all? It's not because of the being in the field system. Okay, so there it worked. And also 6 seconds is way too long. Let's make that 3.5 maybe. What is that? Oh, if you're on Twitch, sorry, the ads are gonna go rolling now. I can't snooze anymore. Can you imagine as a streamer I can't just stop my own ads like whenever I wanted to? Dumb. Alright, so let's see what the difference is. Actually, let me do this. So on this one, the flame spawn. I just want to flame spawn. Where's the flame spawn? Duration, explosion, finishing the construction script. Where the fuck is it? Okay, it's not here. Components, use timeline, da 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 da. Get current mesh. That's not it. That's not it either. Oh, oops. What was it called again? flame spawn. Actually, not. Actually, I'm not looking for flame spawn. I'm looking for this, the ignition collider. I want it to be visible. Just want to see if there's a certain place where it's actually hitting. If I hit over here, okay, so it is hitting. Doesn't matter what. Now, what is affecting it from not firing when it's there? So now we see that. I wonder if it's because it's within this. So like if I were to, oh, no, not that. Like within the field system. So like if I were to do like this, right? Just a little bit out of the field system, will it work? It doesn't look like it does. No. If I stick it out more. So half of this right now is out. Okay. Oh, that wasn't good. That just broke the one underneath. That's no bueno. So it's not going off because of this. But, like I said, if I were to make this, like, let's say bigger. No, that isn't, that's not realistic though. So it is because of the field system. But why? Why would this affect it? That is muy interesante. Oh, I can move this into... I wonder if that would actually work. So now if I do it... Why did I do that? I specifically didn't want to do that. Honestly, this one could probably be a little big or a little smaller. Because either way, oh, that's a little too small. Sorry, I missed a lot of what you were saying about customization. I think you talked about the bug reporter. Okay, what did I say? Customization, I said that, as long as, like, things towards the orb don't affect, like, the performance and whatnot, or, like, make it weird since, obviously, you're using it to grab objects. I don't want, like, anything to look weird with it. But if it's not going to be an issue, then I'm perfectly fine with that. And then the bug reporter was, that in the meantime, like, obviously you get like an itch site for Idiac, but if you want to just put like my info on there instead, that's also fine. Again, in the meantime, obviously we would want to have an official one. Alright, let's see if this works. I did it fucking again. Why do I keep on doing that? Like, I'm hitting exactly where I know it's gonna work. What I'm trying to do is hit it where I don't think it's gonna work. Can I hide this blueprint? For fuck's sake. what's it called? Thumbnail? No. Oh, it's known for it. We might just for ease sake. Cool. Yeah, that sounds good. I mean, I don't mind at all. Google Forms, that's also perfectly fine with me too. What the hell are these? Billboard, that's what it is. Oh no, that's not it. Is it? Oh. It froze for me. Wait, no. I do want to hit an in-game. Wait, what? No. Oh, oops. Wow. Why is this so, like, cloggy right now? Hello? Oh my god. Take your time, dude. You good? You good? You done drinking? I don't want to see that shit. Yeah, so I can actually see the fucking fuse. Wait, so then why isn't this working now? Yeah, I forgot you have a delay, Keith. Yeah, I was already done. This is really annoying. So it's not it's for some reason, I guess when the field system or the collision within the field system overlaps the ignition collision, it just doesn't work how it's supposed to. Like, obviously, like, I would get this, right? Hold on. I'd get this. I don't want to activate it here because that's where the fuse is, right? So I do it. It doesn't work. It has to be to a point where it's not colliding. See how, like, I had to be super outside of it for it to work? And but the thing is that the sphere collision does need to be a little higher. I mean, I guess I could technically just change its location. Whatever. Thing is that none of the other ones really have this issue because the they don't collide with one another. They're usually like apart from each other. Actually, let's make it 550. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's a little odd. I'm not too sure why. It could be just way it's set up. Something I wanted to test here real quick too. Oh, I missed that. First off, this is spinning way too fast. Let me first make that shorter. Or not shorter, smaller. There we go, that's better. I feel like it was too nauseating before. Because I had it before, as I had this, and then I just exploded from before. But the thing is, if I have the collision on for the orb here in any way or form, as soon as I collide with it, it breaks. So I have to have it that it overlaps, or it's overlap? I forgot it was. So it basically, it has to go through it. Because if not, everything else just breaks it. And then in doing that, they could just go right through and then ignite stuff. And I don't want that to be like the known. I don't want them to look at a rock and be like, oh, I could just go right through with the orb. I don't want that to be the case. At least for power-ups and whatnot. What's the logic look like? I remember it being pretty simple. Hold on. Excuse me. So this was the old code because that it doesn't work like that anymore with the, what do you call this? With the destructible meshes because of the new chaos, I think it's called. Is it chaos? I forgot what it's called. So you basically use the field system to, like, I guess, detect any impulses or anything on it. And then, or not the field system, I think it's a transient field. It's one of these. No, it's the same shit. Yeah, it's the same shit. Something like this. I remember I looked it up, and this is how they to use it with the new version of their destructible system. Excuse me. This is what they use. The old version, I think. No, it doesn't work anymore because that's not how they don't use any of this to communicate to it anymore. Again, it's fine. I could also just. La, 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 la. Hold on. Actually, now that I think about it. 1 second. Custom. Orb as block. Is it block? Ignore. Yeah. Which is unfortunate. Also, I guess what I could technically do. Hold on. I did this. Was it here I also did it? No, it was the last level. Because I had a similar issue where the player would just, like, they could just drag or put the orb through the rock and do whatever it is they need to do. But I think I did something. Let me double check. Hold on. I think I literally just put meshes in the middle of it. Was it here I did it? Oh no, it's the level before. It's this one. Right? Yeah, it was this one. So here I think what I did. Wait, what did I do here? Ah, crap. I just need to test it real quick because now I don't remember what I did. Let's turn that off real quick. What the fuck is that about? Hello? Whoa. Alright. Oh, there's one bug. The fuck was that about? What was doing that? Is it because... Oh. Maybe because of that? No, that doesn't make any sense. I had it like that before. I think I need to leave this one. I think I need the other one too. Was it doing that before? I really don't remember. Let me see. Oh, it still is. What is that about? What the fuck? If I get rid of these, what happens? It's like constantly putting me in a fall state. That's fucking weird. Why are you doing that? Can I see your collision? Is anywhere here I can see it? Let me browse to this. This is odd. So why are you doing that? Is it something with maybe like the perspective of it? Where is it? Oh, I mean, it's a flat surface. I wonder if it's because of its scaling, maybe? How does I put this at 2? Oh, it makes it longer. Alright. wonder why that happens. I, for the life of me, don't know. It's like, what the fuck? It's almost like it's resetting my position. Wait. Can you see if maybe it's level if it does the same thing? Okay, when it's level, it doesn't do that. Oh, no, it still does. What the fuck? Alright, well, that's a bug. I don't know what the hell that could be. Standing or walking on top. No, on destruct meshes. Jitters layer and loops them in wall state. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck that came from. That is super interesting. I mean, not interesting for me, unfortunately. I'm kind of fucked because I don't know how I'll be able to fix that. Let's just go back to the level 2-3. That's right. I'm still trying to figure out this issue. I need to make this bigger. So I guess what I could probably do here. Just do this. Make my life a little easier. Oh no, it's fine. Just leave it there and let's see. See how this looks. I'm gonna save that just in case anything happens. Yeah, so normally they'll be here. Jumpy, jumpy. You'll see that there. And of course, it doesn't go off entirely. It's probably still because of this. Alright, let's see. There we go. Did it still break the one underneath me? Yes, it did. Fuck, that's gonna be annoying. Oh, I need to put a trap here as well. Do we have saws here? I don't think I do. No, I don't. Alright. These are saws and pitfalls, right? Yes. Yes, they are. Saws, pitfalls. No, sorry. Pitfalls and... Oh, it's just pitfalls in this world. I could probably put a little lava pit in here. this anymore. Or this. Can I scale this? Like, how will this look if I... Oh, not that. No, gross. Alright. I guess maybe I should just do... I selected... Now basically gonna be doing this 17,000 times. Come on. I can move this just over here for a quick second. Oh my god, I hate these crystals so fucking much, man. I thought I turned them off already. Please fuck off. Thank you. I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. I lied. 4 more. Actually, how would I look if I were to do this instead? Yeah. Let me make sure that... Come on, dude. Uh, 600, 700, 725. Sure. You got to be fucking me. 1900. 1950, 1975. Great. I just want to see both of them spawn. They make sure it's not too deep into the lava. Alright. I think we're Gucci there. Alright, now let's set both these back to its original. Ugh. Okay. So, get here, that gets blown up. I'm not gonna bother doing that. I guess once we get to the actual polish of this world, I'm gonna have to do something to prevent this from, when it falls and breaks, breaking this one as well. Because that is going to be an issue. Again, we're good for now, luckily, but when we get there, we definitely have to revisit it. I could also probably make some. There has to be some sort of. I could potentially. Potentially just create a blueprint, make a blueprint, or make an actor, and just spawn in the whatever destructible mesh. Right now, I just use the rocks because it's the rock world, but eventually we'll probably be using other things. I just have an actor to give me accessibility to spawn an actor from its class, and spawn whichever one I want to spawn in that moment, and then maybe have it there, ignore something with the orb, or ignore other destructible meshes. Let's consider that. Let me just add that here. Let me put this here. Create actor to spawn. Nice emojis, Mitch. Up. They're after me. Just spawn, destroy meshes, ignore the orb, and other destroy meshes. There should be something I could highly consider for all of these. What am I playing tonight? What am I playing tonight? After I figure out the issues that I have to do with the artist set we have for the project, once that's done, I mean, well, what am I saying? The only thing I play is League. I don't play anything else. I don't have any other games to play. Again, Enshrouded and Power looks cool, but it's just I'm not trying to get into one of those games right now. Alright, from here, I'll run, cool. Then at the time I jump here, boing. Okay. And wall run. Ah, okay. So that's gonna be an issue because you don't see what's coming basically. So maybe we'll do something like this. What is this? Oh, something like that. I just need him to be in view. So we could start from over here. If we start from over here, let's make this one. That should be alright. I really haven't been interested in any games in a while. It's nothing for me, really. Alright, so we see that, blah, blah. Jump on here. Alright, that's golden. What we need them to see is that. Okay, good. It's a good sign. So now what they'd want to do is time that, like that, maybe. And obviously this is far off now. Why isn't this spawning in though? The only thing I don't like here is that it's a little too close. So what I might consider doing I don't know why this feels weird. Now what I will need to do is bring this closer, like that. Probably add more force to this as well. Alright, let's start back from where it needs to actually be. 2000. That's fine. That's fine. Let's get this over here. Alright. Boing. That worked out. That's a little too slow now. had to speed it up a little bit. Fuck. Asshole. Alright, well. I'm also gonna need a little teleporter here. And I need a target point. Where are you? There's no bound box size. Alright, well. Long shit. That's a little too long. Yeah, should be good. That'll make it a little wider. Actually, you know what? Just in case they go full dummy. There we go. Cover this first. They fall here and they happen to go over, around, or around it. Out of it, like by the arc of it. I'm just gonna put that there. Alright, and then here. Yeah. Let's try it again. Jump, this is the easy one. This one's also technically easy, it's just... There we go, okay. Alright, cool. And then from here... See how much force this... Oh shit, alright. Whoa. Fuck. Alright, well it does give enough force, luckily, so that's good. I'm gonna make this a little faster. Speed negative 0.4. Why do I have that as negative? Oh, fuck. God dang it. I didn't mean to do that. Actually, I could just do this. Let's make its radius like absurd. There we go. Oh, perfect. So all I gotta do is just jump here, blah blah blah. It should be visible. I think that's alright. Let's make this one. What's the speed of this one? The speed of this one's 0.5. So if we make this maybe 0.6. And then make this one 0.5. And then from here they jump onto this. Bring it over a little bit. And then we'll spawn in some of these little guys. I think that should be alright. Boing. Jump. Okay, that's good. Jump here. Wall run. Fuck. Alright. Let's do this then. Twice. Once. There. And I'm just gonna... So it looks somewhat even. There you go. That should be it though. Let me just change this back to 2000. I need to fix, I think, the crystals too. These two. 2. Alright. Gucci Gucci. Save that. So let's now start from up there. Grab this, move this over. I'm also going to need another one of this and this. So let's just duplicate that across. Start with this first. Oh, there's a checkpoint here. Oh, no, I should probably still use it, though. Yeah, because if they fall here, the bottom trigger would kill them. So it's good to still have the checkpoint. And then this one is if they just happen to miss a jump or whatever, then we can still have that. Alright, so let's get this. Let's make sure it has this selected. It does. That's good there. Let's lower a little bit. Alright. And then I think distance-wise it should be good. Yeah. Alright, cool. Alright, let's test it out. Make sure we get that. Boom. Is that off? Looks like it's off. Oh shit. Well. My bad. Let's do it again. Oop. Oh, god damn it. Let's move that a little back. I didn't think it would be in the way. There we go. Should be good. This is fine. Let me go back to the front. Why does this look weird? Oh, is it because they're off center? Ah, they are off center. Why are they off center? Is that normal? These are at, hold on. 2537935. Huh. They're all off a little center. Alright, so I think I'm supposed to move these forward. There we go. That should be better now. What the fuck is blocking you here? Still? By that little... Oh, you're fucking kidding me. See if that's enough for you, princess. Oh, that's not enough. Oh, it is okay. That's way too long, too. You see, this one doesn't have an issue. Activation's maybe like 3 seconds. Nice and quick. This part is so easy. They don't do anything besides run. back to front. Maybe what I'll do is add some more of these. So let's get rid of these two. What's that? Oh. Let's just get rid of this crystal. Put it here. Let's duplicate this one. What is it? Another stinking ad? Nah, go ahead, bro. Get rid of it. Get it over with. I'm gonna change this up a little bit. I feel like it was so easy before. Just want to make it a little more challenging. Again, not like horribly difficult, but just something a little more stimulating. Ah, shit. Yeah. Ooh. All right. So let's bring this up a little bit. Like right here, maybe. Let's bring it up here. There. Just bring it like right up to this line. There we go. Let's make another duplicate of this. And if you're watching on YouTube, welcome. Hope you're doing well. If you have any questions, by all means. Oh, my ad finally played there. Thank God. Got out of the way. I want to kind of make it a third one. Alright, cool. And then we can move this over a little bit more again. Boop, 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 boop. Split this. Bring it down a little bit. Okay. Then from here, we'll have probably halfway like this. Okay. Then we'll have this. Yeah, all this. Let's bring that up here. Welcome, guys, on YouTube. If you guys are wondering, I am working on a 2.5D platformer. It is called I Died in a Cave. And believe it or not, you're a skeleton that died in a cave. Crazy, right? Skeleton died in a cave, and then from you dying in a cave, you now have access to, you can use your soul, like an orb, basically, to interact with the world, objects, use these, shrooms. This one's called the Boom Shroom as a power-up, which is pretty cool. I'm just trying to finish out the second to last level, and then I have one more to review and playtest, and then technically the demo is done. Well, done. Now it just needs like the final polish, assets, whatever, to actually have the demo posted up. And then bug fixes, right? Just that's an obvious one. All right. I don't think I was done there. Yeah. Let's bring this like halfway here. Then we can actually get rid of this one. Let's bring this up. Actually, we have to probably move all of this. Fuck. That's gonna kind of blow. Or let me do this one first, because then the crystal, I could hide all the crystals and we'll be chilling. Alright, so this, bring this down. Yeah, should be good. I should probably just bring it up here, like that. Alright, then wall run up here. Now let's hide all the crystals. And I can just select all this and bring it up. Let's bring it up maybe somewhere here. No, let's do like halfway point right there. Jesus Christ, how many times are we gonna lock the car? Alright. Let's bring back the crystals now. Where is it? Crystals. Because I need to bring in the big one. There we go. This, wait, let's do this and then this first. And just bring it up. Boop. Alright, now let's play test it. See what happens. Okay. Cool. Ah, dang. Alright, so we gotta hide the crystals again. And we gotta move this a little more inward. So move it in half and bring it down half. There we go. And again, crystals. This. Bring that down a little bit. I don't even want that one. Let's get rid of that one. Okay. Save. Get rid of that. Let's try it again. And it's slight changes, right? Because it's not necessarily like much has changed. You know, there's still like basically just running across. But now there's like little jumps and stuff in between. Just makes it a little bit more, I'm not gonna say the word intense, but just a little more time pressing. That's fine, do anything, this, blow it up, boom, that's gone, well, should be going away now. Alright, and this happens, cool, go to the next one. Oh, I don't like that it does that. Okay. I might delay the next level by a little bit. Alright, by the way, this is done. Did I already do this? Target point 2, target point 2. I don't even think I tested this. Let me test it. Let me test it. Let me make sure. Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. Because it's at 1,000, which actually means it's not really in a scene. Which means this one's the same thing. Yep. Glad I noticed that. Alright, let's try it again. Now it should work. Oh, I think the target point might not be there either. Yep. Ah, dang it. Alright, 0. I can probably lower this a little bit because it's a little too immediate when you start. There we go. Let's do that. And the same thing here. Just give it a little bit of fall time, basically, before you get teleported back. Wow, it's still pretty immediate. Let's bring it down more then. I kind of want them. Oh, it's not the right one. I kind of want them like to fall for like a good like maybe second or two. There you go. That's good. All right. Nice chillin'. Did I put the target point here as well? Ah, see? 0. Okay. Save that. Alright, this one's good. So now, let's go to the last one. Actually, I might use the bathroom real quick. Let me just load it up at least. Oh, not crystal. Okay, updated, world 2, 2, 4. Alright, let's toggle the plane. I think everything here is set up. So I think here I'm gonna have to do. No, I need this. I don't need any of this right now. Oh, Lord. Oh, sir. I go to the level blueprint. I don't think it's gonna work as I'm intending it to be. I'm just trying to see if it does. No, yeah. Let's just change back to 1. Where would it be? These are the triggers. Gotta figure out what the widget is. Alright. And let's say if I don't have that. Like, what if I just had a player start instead? Do I have one in already? No. I think there's still a delay. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. That's fine. I'd rather just use the crystal. Or the crystal, the checkpoint. Alright, let me go use the bathroom real quick. And just write in YouTube bathroom break. Alright, I will be right back.
Mic off. Mic on.
Alrighty, I'm back. Switch this thing with Bob. There we go. Actually, you know what? Let me check. Yeah, figured he probably won't be streaming for a bit because he just finished the game jam. Let me check my tab that I have for supporting peeps. Still going strong, still going strong. Yeah. Close that out. Close that out. Alrighty. Alrighty, let's test out this one. Oh boy. Well, that not how that worked. That not how that worked. What was that even spawning from? Are my checkpoints all at 0? 0, 0, 0. Okay. There we go. Alright. So now. Ah! Ah! Hey, why didn't you kill me? Oh, don't tell me you broken again. Oh, do I not have that turned on? Maybe that's why. Yeah, that's why. Then I also need this to ignore. Trigger. Can I not have it ignore this thing? No. Will that change anything? Ah! You know, I should also do actually. Just do that. How do I have this? I do want it to be trigger. However, maybe I just have it ignore the orb pawn. Let's see if I can actually do that maybe. So I guess maybe I could probably do it here. Collision. No, it's not this side. No, I'm an idiot. It is in the level blueprint. Level blueprint is the boulder trigger, which is this one. Alright. Let's get a reference to boulder trigger. Can I? No. Ignore. No. Collision. Probably get collision component. Get collision component. Ignore actor when moving, and the actor will be. Nope. Why isn't it? There's no filter. Should ignore is true. I don't know if there's the right way of doing this, but. Do I have to cast the orb? Will this work? Not too sure if that actually would work. No, it doesn't work. It might be the other actor. Nope. Oh, it's not. No. Ignore. No, it's not any of these. No, it's not any of these. I gotta figure out how to communicate to it. I guess I could probably just switch it to custom and then pick the same settings. I don't know if the trigger would still work though. I guess we could try. Let me see. So, can I? Let's see if this still works. Let me get rid of all the other garbage I put here. Alright, let's see. I fall down. Wahoo. There we go. There's still fire. Oh god, Jesus. That was very fast. Let's move this over. Ah, the orb. Fuck. Ah! Alright. Let's also make sure actually that it's killing me. Again. Orb isn't firing it off. Right. Oh, it is. Poop. But how? 'Cause I'm getting... Oh, I guess when anything hits the trigger, it's doing that. Let's cast it up later then. Cast cats. Cast to what is here? Underscore skeleton. Make sure. Alright, that's good. Yep. And it does kill me. Alright, cool. Sweet. I think I just gotta do the same for all the other ones. 10 destroy. Let's make it like 7 point. No, let's make it 7 seconds. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna test all that now, but let's make sure. Time to destroy. Does that mean, hold on, if I play from here, right? Okay, good. It's not. Just wanted to make sure. There was something else I wanted to check here. I think it was also the trigger here. Yeah, I need it to be... No. And then I want it to be custom. Same setting, just ignore the orb. And then I gotta do the same thing here. Custom. Ignore the orb. Save that. Little blueprint. I don't want to do cast so much, but just like I have something working, I'm gonna be doing cast. Other actor. I'm already using cast. Might as well keep the train going. Again, I'm not going to be using this consistently. I'll have to create reference and stuff, but I just don't really care about that right now. Alright, there you go. Actually, now that I'm doing that, I don't think I need to worry about this anymore being an issue. I'm pretty sure. Let's double check though. Start. Alright, so player start. Good. Let's get a player start over here. Let's move this over a little bit. 0. Drop there. I need to get rid of the start over here. Good. Okay, sweet. So now what I can do... Nope. This one is here. Let's make this less, like 200 maybe. Yeah. And then... Okay. And let's go real quick. This is the 2, right? Administrator 2. It's delaying it by its start delay. And its start delay is 2.5. Now that we're up there, we can make it 1.5. So now basically, actually probably not even 1.5, probably less. Because now as soon as I jump here, I should, yeah. So we're actually gonna make it less. Let's make it 0.85. Less than a second it's gonna start. Alright. Let's go back again. We'll play from here. Enable death. Yep. Alright, cool. Oh. Well. I was not paying attention this latest. That is not going fast enough. I need, first off, I need to go to the boulder. I really do need to work on this boulder. This boulder's a fucking hot mess. Alright, I'm just testing to make sure there's no other... Where's the... Oh. There's no other bugs here. I know that the pitfalls have issues, which is fine. So it's going to be replaced with the actual current one anyways. Or correct one, I mean. Ah, crap. need to seal that off. Ah! Oh no. Ah! No, no. Okay, it's getting closer. Alright, so first thing here, let's lower this. Just bring it maybe right here in the middle. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. All this is fine. Jump to jump is also fine. I do need to increase this up again. So let's get this. No, stop. Get this. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Honestly, I might, yeah, let's just seal this off. There we go. This is fine, this is fine. These wall runs, I feel like are really off. Ah, it is. Okay. Let's put you back at 0. 4746. Yeah, this is like really off on the Y too, no? Turn on the Y. They also seem small. Oh no. Nope, stop. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong one. No fucking wonder. Nah, it doesn't say anything. Fuck. Yo, what it do, sauce? Hero. What's going on? Fucking hell, Jesus. No, let's go back to 8. Make this one 10 maybe. Nah, that's too big though. You streamed today? No. I think I'm doing the same thing I'm trying not to. I think I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna do that and I'll bring it down a little bit. Do that. Smoking a dubby, freezing, watching my fave streamer. Oh, stop it. Appreciate that, my dude. How cold is it over there? I know you told me when it gets cold, it's fucking cold. Oof, my neck hurts. Let's bring 7.5. Let's do 10 here, probably. And then maybe 7 here. I think 5 here is alright. Let's just keep it 5 here. 6 is fine. A doobie. It's fine. I know I said dubby, but I knew what you meant. I got you. I think it should be alright. This is fine. This is not good. I didn't test this part. I don't know why I stopped. I should have just kept on playing from there. Oh, 40? Ah, that's not bad, dude. Had another buddy I watch on his stream that they get -40. They got -40, and like his internet went down, pipes froze, the whole shit show. Can you imagine living in fucking -40-degree weather casually? And well, he's in Canada. Canada's fucking freezing. Oh, this might be way too fast. I'm panicking. Ooh. Oh, I'm not supposed to go all the way there. Oh, and that recheck speed was really fast. Alright, so let's do... Doesn't start active. The start delay is pretty quick. And let's just make it 1 second. No, it's not gonna make a huge deal, but recheck delay is 3. Retract speed, let's make it 0.6. And then I need to fix this. Because I don't want them to just be standing there like, oh, they're safe, and then they die. You know, that's fucked up. So let's just leave it there. There we go. And then let's go back to it not starting extended. And now I just wanna test this. Will it go off? It won't. Now it should. Okay. Oh wow, it still retracts so fast. Why? Do it again. That's a little better. Alright. And then again, let's just start from up here. Just so we get an idea of how the ending is going to feel, right? Or any of this level, I mean. So, whatever doesn't do anything. And that should load into my test level. Yep. Alright, cool. Alrighty. Well, that is the demo. Nice. Obviously, some bugs that we definitely got to tweak and a lot more polishes, but at least we know everything's working, so that's good. You think every game like they created that was played through, or you think they made some loads without playing through? God, I would hope not, but is it possible? Sure. But normally, like big companies, there's like let's say, for example, let's say that their game comes out in October, right, of this year. Normally what they'll do is they'll have a beta that will come out usually like 5 to 6 months before to play, like other people play test it, because well, they'll have like 3 months before people play test it, and then they'll have, if anything, 6 to 7, 8 months before that release date of where they'll hire like groups, basically like play testers. They'll play test like certain levels, or they'll test out certain mechanics, give feedback, and then obviously make judgment calls from there. But it's very likely that you have to test it, because even I've had experience before where I was like making a level, whatever, and then I'll just play test it tomorrow, whatever. But I said, hey, look, it's done, and it couldn't even load. Like there was an error right from the beginning that just crashed it, and then nobody could really play test it. And it's like, well, fuck, that kind of sucks. Or I think, sorry, it wasn't right when you loaded it. It was when you walked into, like, it was like a little teleporter, but the teleporter gave you what's called a critical error, which means that it crashes the game. Like it's not something that you could fix, or like work around. Like you have to fix that before you can actually even play the game, or even before you can actually publish the game. Well, it's not publish, it's packaging the game. So like when you package your games, like you get all this stuff compiled together or whatever. So that needs to be fixed before you can make it into a packaged game, basically. Which is unfortunate. Obviously, I found out because I stayed up late fixing it, and then I went to sleep, went to work. And I found out in the middle of work that it wasn't working. It was for school at the time. So I was like, well, fuck, that kind of sucks. So I had to go on lunch break and fix it. How you fix it? So during my program or during my degree in school, we used a different engine. It was called Unity. I fucking hated it. I had horrible issues with it where, like, the project worked fine for me. It worked fine for somebody else, but then it wouldn't work for like another 3 or 4 people. And it was like they'll look at like we have a repository, so like you're like, imagine like your save file for what you do in the project, and the teachers will look at it and everybody look, and they would say, we don't know what's going on. And I was like, I'm not gonna redo my whole project. I have it there, and you see it's working. Somewhere I was able to fix it. Like the one with the whole teleporter thing, it was just a reference issue. I was trying to reference to a point. Like, so imagine like a teleporter, right? I was trying to go from here to here, right? But what I was doing is that when I tried teleporting from here to here, this hasn't loaded into the world yet, so it doesn't exist. So if I'm trying to go from point A to a point that doesn't exist, it crashes. Like it doesn't know what to do. It just breaks. So I just had to fix a reference. Or I think I had to load in the point B sooner, if I'm not mistaken. Something like that. I think that was the fix. Alright, let's see what else we gotta do. I'm checking my tabs again. Alright. Yeah, it was a weird one for sure. Like my whole program was in that. Besides in my last, So you have what's called like obviously your like normal program, your degree or your classes, and then your last like submission basically to like show your work is you have a capstone. So it's like your final project, right? And in our final project we used Unreal, and after I did my final project, and I was like, dude, I'm never going back to Unity. Everything was pretty seamless. Yeah, there obviously was issues and stuff that wasn't working because it was new to most of us. Because it was a group of 5 people, it was new to most of us, besides I think one person. But he was like a hardcore programmer for like 15 years, so he already knew how to fix certain things. But it was great. Like it was awesome. Unity has changed a lot since then, but I probably still won't go back to it. I'm not crazy about it, especially like now if they ended up going through like there's a big change in how they wanted to basically bill people if they used their engine, which was fucking atrocious. So if they did do that in the end, then I'm good. I will never go back. I'm chilling. Oh, let me save this. Okay, so this leveling thing works. Crazy, they don't be like arrow point B. Yeah, it would just say there was a reference missing, but like the way I read it, I thought it was that I wasn't calling to like the code correctly in a sense, and that wasn't the case. It just was calling to something that didn't exist. What the thing is though, because in Unity everything is pretty much using C#, so it's all like actual programming, whereas Unreal does have that, but they use blueprints, which blueprints is like this stuff, these little nodes. And the thing is, if you wanted to test something to work, what you'll literally do, where am I in the world? Let me say this as the starter. So if I wanted to make sure that this was gonna fire, right? Or maybe I'm having issues it not firing. It's called boulder trigger. I'll literally just do at a breakpoint, and you'll see how easy it is. There. So that's literally how you would just test bugs. So if you're trying to figure out why something like in a line isn't firing, all you do is just add this, and you just go from node to node, and once you see something fails, you're like, all right, so let me go back, and then from here and on it's working, but from this point and on it isn't working. Why is that? And then you just start fixing it from there, basically. It's so much easier. Whereas the other one, you just gotta read the lines and just trying to hope for the best, for the most part at least. Were they like first where everyone? Were they like the first where everyone used them? No, because they both been around for I think the same amount of time. Let me see. So Unity initial launch date. I think it was 1995, 7. No, that's not right. Really? Oh, 2004. So Unreal was I think 1995. Unreal Engine. The initial, I can't fucking type, release date 1998. It's like what Quake, people use this for Quake and whatnot, stuff like that. So this one's already been around a lot longer. It's the thing is like the Unity interface and like just the way you move around stuff, I just didn't like it personally. Who messed with me? Who's this? This Unreal is a little smoother for me. Oh, it's cool. She's confirming for 8. Sweet. My first few experiences with Unity were shit, and I was already like, it had a sour taste in my mouth. My first few experiences with Unreal were fucking amazing. Just so much easier, like to bug test things, a lot more like support as well. Back then. Now I think again Unity's a little better, but like back then, if you were like, oh, I can't get this reference, how do I do it? You just Google it and it'll pop up. Oh, dude, I don't know if you guys see this. Does it come up on my stream? So I cooked yesterday like a big old meal for my in-law family. I don't know if you could see this. It's showing that right there. It's a big old welt. I made chicken parm. And the first chicken I fried, I guess I just like put it in a little too quick and just splashed back on me and have a big old blister here. I'm really tempted to pop it. But it feels kind of funny. It's kind of gross. But also kind of funny. Alright, I'm done here. I'm done with this shit. I don't want to look at it anymore. I'm just making sure. Okay. Yeah, it's funny. It didn't hurt like initially. Then like maybe like 20 minutes later, it's more like a scab, like itchy. And then after a while, yeah, it just blistered up. But it doesn't hurt at all. I just don't want to pop it because then once you pop it, it has like that sensitive skin underneath, and I'd rather just not do that. I feel like there was something I was supposed to. Let me check my to-do list. There is technically. Actually, no, that's not really an auto feature. I hate the smell after you cook with oil, so yeah, trust me, I agree. I don't like, the only time I actually cook, like frying chicken like that, is when I do the chicken parm. Like, it was chicken cutlets. But yeah, it's rough, especially like in an apartment. Oof, that smell sticks. But I usually try to, I have a purifier here, I open all my windows, I light a candle as well. I have one like these big strong ones that are pretty good, so that it obviously doesn't like stink up too much. I mean, it's still gonna stink, and what I hate the most, like the sticking on like your hair and your skin. Yeah, I definitely have an eye scrubbed good yesterday, but that was something I needed to fix. Actually, this is technically a bug. I should probably move it down here. Oh shit. I got burst, so I can't even use shit that smells good. Wait, so why is that? Does it like affect him in a way? I didn't know that, honestly. If that's the case. I don't remember why I wanted to do this. I don't think I'm gonna need that. The Odyssey feature does. It's just more of a. Well, actually, I do gotta link up all the save stuff. Wait, do I? Maybe. Hair and skin the worst, and the motherfuckers like to fucking like it's deep fried breakfast and go the rest. No, that's gross. That aroma stuff. Really? Did not know that. I would have never imagined. Like, I can imagine like bothering like dogs or whatever, since they have really sensitive nose, but I did not know that like lighting candles would like kill birds like that. Sheesh. Yeah, that's one thing I don't get. I don't know how people like could literally cook at their house, eat, and then be like, you know what? I think now is the best time for me to go and hang out with my friends. And they're just, their skin stinks, clothes stinks, their hair, and it's like the same thing like if somebody smokes like cigarettes. Like, you could spray on cologne as much as you want, but you're just gonna, it's still gonna smell, right? It's like if you took a fucking nasty ass shit and you spray Febreze. Yeah, some parts are gonna smell good, but it's gonna smell like a flowery shit show, just flowery crap. Alright, this is done. I feel like there was something else I was supposed to do. Was it in the first levels, maybe? Is that why it doesn't ring a bell? Maybe not. Man, I'm so groggy. Fucking hell. Oh, I gotta save this. Save. I do gotta think of other destructible stuff. Rocks, create. And we can do, like stones. Like just regular stones. We're gonna need to do crystals as well. Oh, crystals. What else can we have that's destructible? That should be enough. Fuck it. Alright, I am done. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick, and then we'll come back. Maybe we'll just, I don't know, play a game of something. I don't know what though. Alright, but I'm gonna go take a quick piss. BRB. Oh, that's not the right one. Whoops.
Mic off. Mic on.
Alrighty, I'm back. Do-do-do-do. Lava screen. So I guess let me start looking into. Oh, 1 second.
Mic off. Mic on.
Sorry about that. Mrs. was talking to me. Alright, so one thing I did want to look into was this. X5 exists when I try to commit, but I cannot, blah blah blah. Linux, Unix, and try RM. The fuck? So can you test? Okay. Okay. Five 376. Alright, so looks like I just gotta look for the hidden file. Which I remember how to do that, I believe. Let me see. So I think if I go show an explorer. Hold on. How to see index .lock files. It's located in the Git folder of your repo. So .git config fetch index. I don't know which one of these it is though. Oh, here it is. Sure. Docket ignore. Is it this one? That ain't it. Which one is it? Now, let me go back. Somebody showed it over here earlier. Which one did I click on? Is it this one? To use results, go to the hidden.git directory to enable view hidden files and folders on Windows, which is this one. Search bar, show hidden files. Advanced settings, where's advanced settings? Okay, in the File Explorer, highlighted show, okay. Under advanced settings, select show hidden files, folders, and drives, okay. That's like, alright, cool. The hidden.git directory, which I'm assuming is here. Nope, I don't need this anymore. I'm deleting that index. Well, I probably don't have it anymore. Let me see. .get / index.lock. Yeah, I don't have it. Oh wait. What tab file is this? Let's try Notepad, see what happens. And then open anything. Cool. Explorer. Yeah, it's great. I don't care. Okay, cool. Fuck off. Alright, so I didn't do anything. So, did I just show me and delete the index.log file located here? Alright, but I don't have, so that's good. Oh, why is it so windy? Is that window open? Oh, must be the wind from that. Deleting the element, you should be able to commit using. Okay, cool. So I had to just remember to do that for her. Oh, it opened. Alright, this isn't anything new. I'm gonna put another commit. Just get this out of the way so my thing is completely clean. Yep, discard. Alright, fill commits, commits. Slight level edits. Or not commit, so commit. Push. Okay. Switch to main. And branch, merge it to current. Let me see if she has. Okay, so she doesn't have anything. Good. Set that. Push. Alright, let's switch back to my branch. Alright, and let's make sure. Update for main. Golden. 236. I guess I could probably do a quick ARM. What is this? Oh, let me check my settings. I am back. Are you leaving? I might potentially just end the stream early here. Because I think actually, hold on. Let me see what time she said. Oh no, that's right. I asked her if she was working. She said no, and she said at 8 or later tonight. I told her 8 should be good. I said I should be settled. I was gonna probably end it or potentially. I was just looking up now how to fix the issue she's having, which I do know now, which is good. Don't really have much else I could do right now because the level's already updated, which is good. You start working, Keith? Right now I'm just chilling, just organizing my stuff. I had a bunch of tabs open. Don't know why. He's back. He's doing his thing. Can I attend the meeting with Kat? I'm curious about it. Yeah, it's fine. I don't care. From what I've read or just tested now, it should be a pretty easy fix. Again, hopefully. I guess the only thing I gotta make sure of now is because since I very likely made some edits and pushes on the first level, which she has blocked out already. So I assume she just, because she has those changes stashed. So if she updates her main with the current one that's in the repository, and then she pushes hers, well, I guess not. It should be alright. I think it shouldn't be a big deal. I started scripting another video during lunch, so I'm taking a break from that. Oh, okay, cool, nice. I don't know, I was going somewhere with what I was saying, but now I'm not too sure. It should be fine. Worst case scenario, again, I could just delete my edits of the first level, and then just have hers be the current one. I didn't make much changes to the first level, if anything, honestly. Actually, I'll tell you right now. Let's see. I'm gonna have to fucking just stop. Just go show and folder. I already know what I gotta do. No, this stupid fucking cable component. There we go. Now it should work. Let me see if there were. I'm really confident that I did not make big changes to the first level. The most I probably did was just like delete some blocks, like balance that out. And again, that's not that deep. And actually, I have pictures to prove that. Because I sent some screenshots of the levels to Kat. Where the fuck is my Excel? World 1-1. Alright. Let's see these both side to side. Once I load into it. Level World 1-1. Let's hide this. That goes here. Where is my Excel? Alright. Nope. The main edit was here. I remember fixing this. I added stuff on the top here. I added that there. Remember that. Yeah, like very minimal things. So if it's between me keeping what's here now and then or losing her progress, I'd rather just lose the work that I did here. Well, I guess the only thing that may get affected is me adding its stuff to the levels. I'm pivoting a little from my boomer shooter power world to maybe make something simpler with significantly less to do. Up to you. I mean, I think it's just like riding like the hype train. So if you want to take advantage of that, then again you could. Because then your search criteria is gonna be, or not your search, your tags on your video would get a lot of traction because obviously Power Word is popular. Now it's probably still gonna be popular for a little bit because I assume, or I would hope, they're gonna come out with more content. All right, this is all fine and dandy. So yeah, I guess we'll have to see. The only thing that may get affected is when I added the code stuff to the save game. All right, cool. Let's get rid of that. Yeah, if anything though, Keith, I'll whenever I do meet with her, cause I told her at 8. Well, 8 my time actually. Let me specify that. There. I just told her 8. So 8 Eastern. I'll meet with her. Not potentially sooner. Again, I don't have to cook, so I literally just gotta make asparagus tonight, and that's about it. Everything else just reheating, so that's a plus. Oh yeah, and the hype of Tekken right now, I think Power Force. Yeah, I think so too. I think Tekken would. Yeah, I agree. If you're gonna do it either way, Power could probably hold off for a little bit. Again, assuming they're actually gonna push out content, which I would assume they will because they've gotten a lot of good traction on it. But I'll definitely let you know when I meet with her. Actually, anything, I'm just gonna go ahead and just call the stream here. Finished out the demo, which is nice. Now we just gotta obviously get the final polish of like building out the assets of the world, or building out the world really. 1, and then 2 is like the more polish on like certain things and how they look, right, or how they work. Granted, let me say that instead. Obviously, I know the boulders and stuff. That's kind of like janky right now. So there's like small little things we got to do there, but I think we should be all right. So nonetheless, I hope everybody has a good rest of your day. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I will catch you all on the next one, which should be Wednesday, 12 to 3 p.m. Eastern.